Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Faithfully Asia. Today's video is sponsored by Hairvivi, so you know it's gonna be a banger. But before I get into this video, make sure you hit that subscribe button to make sure you don't miss out on any of my new content. And without any further ado, let's go ahead and jump into this video. Okay guys, I get so excited once I get my Hairvivi box because it's always like a treat inside. And this particular wig smells so good straight out the box. So let me go ahead and show you the unit I'm going to be reviewing today. As you can see, it's this beautiful auburn color with a couple of highlights throughout. And of course, it does have the new Hairvivi tinted cappuccino lace. As you can see, it's very clean. And this unit, as all Hairvivi units, do come pre-plucked and bleached. And you will have the non-slip adjustable elastic band. This is what allows you to wear this unit glueless. And guys, I am using Hairvivi's new True Scalp. They sent it to me in two colors. There's the color Cappuccino, which is more of a lighter brown, and the color Mocha, which has more of a darker hint to it. I did try them out in my last video. I did decide that Cappuccino was the color that I preferred. As always, you're going to cut the front of the tape into an arch shape and gently apply it to the parting space. So you want to make sure it's about an inch or two behind the hairline. And guys, this is what it looks like. Now, you know all Hairvivi units do come with this little tag attached. Make sure you're ready to keep the unit before you detach it. And this is what the Cappuccino scalp look like. Guys, stay tuned. I am going to try the Mocha as well and see which one I prefer. And this is what the back of the unit looks like. It's gorgeous. The colors were highlighted to perfection. Okay, if you want to wear this glueless, just make sure you tighten the elastic band in the back. And that's just, I'm sliding it over, and as I slide it over, it's making it tighter. And what I like to do is there's a comb back here, tuck it under the elastic band, and that keeps it nice and snug in the back. And then for the sides, you don't really need nothing for this side because it covers it. For this side, just take a bobby pin and tuck that in. And that's how you wear this glueless. But I want to lay mine down, so I'm gonna take this out. You want to make sure you always clean your forehead of any residue, because this is going to interfere with it sticking, and sometimes it will discolor the lace if you have makeup on it. Also liquid gold. Now you just want to apply this to the perimeter of the hairline, using a generous amount, but not too much because that will seep through the lace. I use the back of my razor stick. I'm ghetto. And you just want to make sure that it's nice and evenly spread before you put the lace on top. Now this one is really beginner friendly. It's kind of hard to mess this one up, only if you like apply just too much. And like I said, it's going to just kind of go seeping through the lace, but it's not glue, so you don't really run the risk of like ruining your hairline. I'm going on top of it with this Wonder Lace Bond adhesive spray, and this is the active one. And I'm just gonna lightly apply a light layer. Oh, you don't have to do too much, because these two together are really good as far as laying the lace. And now I'm gonna just blow dry it a little bit until it gets slightly tacky, but you don't want it to get dry. Open my heart and do it with a smile. Wipe away any excess adhesive. It's best to do it now before it actually dry and get cakey. This sideburn is hanging a little low, so I'm going to go ahead and cut it off. Now, to get these little pieces that usually stick up, I spray some of this on my hand, and then I take my little makeup brush and get right underneath there. What it feels like, but you're not alone, 'cause I'm just like you. Now tie down for about 5 minutes. After the 5 minutes, I took the elastic band off, and now I'm just taking some of my concealer to apply just to the little small section in the front. When you apply that lace tape, you want to apply it about 1 inch or 1.5 inches behind the hairline. So you do need to go in with a concealer or something just to kind of make everything blend all together. And after that, I just proceeded to hot comb my edges because you want to make sure that is laid down, looking nice and sleek. These are all the key ingredients to a laid install. And then I went in and added a couple of curls to this unit. I didn't really do any baby hair. I did decide to go in later and add some slight baby hairs, but I think I actually prefer colored hair without baby hairs. I really came to that realization today. Okay, dolls, so this is the final look. You guys let me know what you think about this unit. I think it's really pretty. I love the color. I love the little touch of lighter gold colors in between the ginger or auburn or whatever color you want to call it. I really like it. So I went ahead and I switched out the True tape just so I can let you guys see once again what the mocha looked like. This is another day. I did go ahead and add a little baby hairs. I'm not really feeling the baby hairs. This is what it feels like. You guys let me know what you think in the comment section down below. And as always, guys, if you are interested in purchasing this unit, y'all know I got a coupon code for you. I'm gonna go ahead and put that across the screen. It'll also be in the description box down below. And also, while you're at it, go ahead and give me a name for this unit. And dolls, I did pick a name for the unit I reviewed in my last video. The new name as well as the person who submitted the name is going to be listed across the screen. So dolls, if you found this video helpful, go ahead and give your girl a thumbs up. And if you're not already part of the Faithful fam, go ahead and hit that subscribe button before you leave. And while you're at it, check out my lifestyle channel, Being Faithfully Asia. And until next time, you guys stay blessed. And if it be God's will, I'll see you in my next video. Take care now.